Yes. Why did you choose to be a teacher?
For me, being a teacher is my vocation. It's a calling for me. So even though I already became a lawyer, the call to be a teacher is still there. So that's the reason why I'm still teaching up to the present for so many years.
Next, how do you inspire and motivate your students in your lessons?
Well, in terms of inspiring, I of course sometimes relate a portion of my life story, my experiences, but also the experiences of others, from other teachers or from what I read in a book or in newspapers or any other media. So that's how I try to inspire and instill in the students the need to improve, the need to be excellent, the need to be competent. With respect to motivating, of course, there are different strategies that we use. So again, storytelling is one. Real life situations, current events, in preparation for a lesson. So that's usually where I start and relate the topics to all of these situations that we experience every day.
What do you do to prepare for a certain lesson or class?
Well, first the basics. I go through my notes, or I go through the textbooks, the textbook that we use, and then of course there are other references that I make use of, other books, and well, of course I prepare my visual aids. Well, normally it's PowerPoint now. Well, in some cases, again, I also read current events, so newspaper, the news. I read the news, or I listen to the radio, is to try to find some information that I would be able to relate to the lesson.
Lastly, when you meet an obstacle or problem in class, how do you resolve it?
Well, if it's just a student, one student, I personally talk to the student. If I see a problem, especially in grades, I tell the student, for example, if he's falling behind in terms of his exams, in preliminary exam, or any other activity, so that he'll be able to catch up. And well, in terms of behavior, of course, it's the same. I talk to the student personally. I try to avoid embarrassing the student, so it's better to talk to the student personally. If it's the entire class, and I just address the entire class, and I do my best to deal with students patiently.
Thank you.